Hey, Chris Ferdinandi from the Lean Web Club here. I teach people a simpler, faster way to build for the web. Recently, I launched a series of tutorials around serverless functions and how to build your own APIs with Cloudflare workers. And today, we're going to be looking at one of the lessons from that series. You can view the whole thing right now by creating a free account over at leanwebclub.com. But for now, let's just dig into the video. Serverless is a terrible name for an awesome thing. It's mostly just a silly marketing term for functions as a service. There's still a server involved. With serverless, you don't have to worry about the server itself, though. You write some code and add it to your account. Then you can make that code run in response to specific events, like calling an API endpoint. There are a few important under-the-hood details about serverless that are worth noting, though. First, different vendors support different languages. Options include PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, and even vanilla JavaScript. Some vendors even support multiple languages, allowing you to mix and match them as desired. Serverless functions only run when needed. With traditional cloud-based server options, the server or virtual machine is always running. You pay a fixed amount of money for a fixed amount of memory, storage, CPUs, and data transfer, whether you use it all or not. With serverless, a machine is spun up whenever a function is triggered and shut down when it's done. The vendor handles provisioning, scaling, and so on. You only pay for the amount of server resources that are used, and many vendors also have free options. Serverless functions are stateless. You can't update a variable or value when a function runs and then access that modified value the next time it runs. Because the server is spun up, runs the function, and then shuts down, any session data is lost each time it runs. For example, here, if you run save name and then sometime later run get name, it will return Merlin instead of whatever name you updated it to, because the value of wizard gets reset every time that server spins back up. That said, many serverless vendors offer database services. While the serverless functions themselves are stateless, you can use databases to save data and then access it later if needed. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share it with anyone you think might find it useful. I publish a few videos like this every week, so subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified whenever they come out. And if you want to watch the entire serverless series right now, head over to leanwebclub.com and create your free account. See you next time. Cheers.